Hey everyone, welcome back to the tenorshare channel. If your iPad is getting slower and slower, or you're planning to sell your old iPad and upgrade to a new one, the best way to give it a fresh start is to reset it to factory settings. This will make your iPad run like new again and completely erase all personal data, returning it to its original state. Today, I'll show you 3 simple ways to factory reset an iPad. Let's get started. Method 1. Factory reset iPad from settings. If your iPad is still working normally, and you remember the passcode, this is the easiest method. Open your iPad, go to Settings, tap General, scroll down, and select Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap Erase all content in Settings, confirm your choice, and wait for the factory reset to finish. This method is quick and simple, but it does require your iPad passcode. If you forgot the passcode, or your iPad is frozen, don't worry, let's move on to Method 2. Method 2. Factory reset iPad using iTunes. If your iPad isn't responding properly, you can reset it using iTunes. First, connect your iPad to a computer and open the latest version of iTunes. If iTunes doesn't detect your iPad, you'll need to put it into recovery mode. For iPads with a home button, press and hold the home button and power button until you see the recovery screen. For iPads without a home button, press volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button until the recovery screen appears. Once your iPad is in recovery mode, iTunes will detect it and ask whether you want to restore or update. Click Restore, and iTunes will download the firmware and factory reset your iPad. However, sometimes iTunes may fail, show error codes, or even stop responding. If that happens, don't worry, there's a more stable solution. Method 3. Factory reset iPad using tenorshare ReiBoot. If your iPad is frozen, unresponsive, or keeps crashing, this is where tenorshare ReiBoot comes in. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool, trusted by millions of users. It can fix over 150 iOS system issues and reset your iPad smoothly without errors. Here's how to use it, just like Method 2. Connect your iPad to the computer and put it into recovery mode. Then open ReiBoot. Click Start Repair and choose Deep Repair. For a complete reset, follow the on-screen instructions to download the firmware. Once the download is finished, click Start Deep Repair. ReiBoot will fix your iPad and safely erase all data. You can also use ReiBoot to update an old iPad, which is perfect if you're planning to sell it. After the process is done, your iPad will restart and feel just like brand new. Fast, simple, and reliable. That's everything for today. Now your iPad is completely clean, running smoothly, and ready to use again or sell with confidence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.